OneLedgerians. This is Aly Kassam, Director of Product here, and I kind of wanted to take you guys through what I do and how I think through new product, new functionality. A lot of it has to do with understanding the requirements, understanding the user flows, and then coming to a whiteboard or a utility like this Balsamic where I can actually draw out the new functionality and how it looks. So what we're looking at right now is moving our wallet forward into HD functionality as well as adopting interoperability in the wallet. And I kind of want to take you guys through a flow that I was building to let you see what we work on, but simultaneously kind of get feedback on what the flow looks like. So this is Balsamic, the utility that allows me to do a lot of mock-ups and give development more of an idea of what this should really look like. Now, the final product will never look like this because there's a lot of design elements that go into it that are not in the wireframing utility that I'm using. So that being said, let's take a look at this. So after you log in with the HD wallet, what will happen is you'll come to a screen that looks kind of like this. And it will be basically your set of accounts. So as it's side here, you can see your wallet, which has your accounts, your send functionality, your transfer functionality, domain management, which we still kind of have from the previous version of the wallet, and then sign out. This also gives us the opportunity here to add other things like delegation and validation and validators. So it kind of keeps us open to add more menu items as well. In here, what you're looking at is actually a list of accounts under your OneLedger, OneLedger account specifically, Ethereum ERC20 accounts, as well as Bitcoin accounts. The way this is broken down is, I don't know if the community knows, but a lot of addresses, basically, the way they're structured is they have multiple different currencies under them. So if I have one address, I can have OLT, Ethereum, and Bitcoin under them. That means that's the way we're structured on OneLedger, but similarly on Ethereum side, that's the same sort of thing. I can have one address that has ETH, OLT, and other alt tokens associated to it underneath. And then I have Bitcoin, where Bitcoin doesn't have that functionality, but it can only hold its own currency per address. So that's what you're looking at here. And then in addition to that, if I wanted to create another account, we previously had the create account functionality at the top here. We've kind of moved that over because it kind of resonates with what we're trying to do here. So if I want to create another account, I would actually click there, and I have the possibility of creating an account. Now, the blockchain that I'm creating for here can be switched. It could be Ethereum. Now, this doesn't necessarily have to be OneLedger or Bitcoin. I can actually create accounts for Ethereum and those. And once I click put an account name in there, click create, it'll actually create it for me. Then that means that what happens to your account history. So just because we have like a high level view now of all your accounts, you also need an account history view, which we've kind of pushed down into a detail view. So when you click into the account, now you'll be able to see the account history where you have your OLT, your Ethereum, and your Bitcoin balances at the top. But simultaneously, here is your entire account history going down now. Any transactions that are going through this wallet for Ethereum and Bitcoin, we'll be able to note down. But transactions that are going from other wallets like my Ethereum wallet, we wouldn't be able to keep the historical data for that. Still kept the mint functionality for OLT here because we're still in testnet. You'll still have the capability of doing that, but in future, obviously when we go to mainnet, that's not going to be the case. The mint functionality won't be there. All right, that's what I kind of wanted to show you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Hit us up at OneLedger Tech so that we can get to know what you guys thought. Have a good one.